Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Amazon stock, full guide step by step clearly. To save with Amazon stock, begin by understanding the basics of stock investment. Research Amazon's business model and performance to make informed decisions. Create a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage platform that offers access to Amazon stock. Set a budget for how much you can afford to invest without jeopardizing your finances. Consider using dollar cost averaging to invest a fixed amount regularly. Look for any available discounts or offers from your brokerage when buying stock. Examine current market trends and analyze Amazon's historical performance. Stay updated on earnings reports and market news related to Amazon. Utilize online tools and resources to track Amazon's stock performance over time. Set financial goals, whether they be short-term gains or long-term investment. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically to adapt to market changes. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional trading based on market fluctuations. Consider holding on to your investment during market downturns to maximize long-term gains. Explore opportunities for dividend reinvestment if applicable. Review your investment portfolio regularly to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Educate yourself continuously about stock market trends and investment strategies. Network with other investors to gain insights and share experiences. Be patient and allow your investment to grow over time. In summary, understanding the market and strategic investing can lead to saving with Amazon stock effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.